Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video I would like to show you production schedule in Prodio and tell you a little bit about how it works. So, basic thing about production schedule is that there are two versions, manager's view and worker's view. The difference between those two is that at the worker's view, there are no editing options. So your workers can't change anything in the manufacturing tasks. When it comes to manager's view, you can access all the tabs here, but at the production schedule, you can just simply click on some manufacturing task to edit it. Now, what is production schedule? Basically, it's a clear, organized overview of all the tasks and processes on the shop floor, which helps you streamline operations and give your workers access to all the information needed to work on the manufacturing tasks. Okay, so now what do we have here? Here we can see all the machines and operations that we've added, and below them all the manufacturing tasks assigned. Now all the styles represent one manufacturing task. So like here we have turbine housing, here we have piston, A3, and so on. Now those tiles may have different colors, and now what the different colors mean. When the tile is orange, it means that someone is already working on that. Stop means that someone was working on that, but it's not finished and he's not working at this in this moment. Then we also have these red strings here, which means that this task is overdue. What else we have here? If the machine name is in orange, it means that someone is working on this machine. Then on the right side, we have information about all the recent operations. So for example, if someone clocked into work, or paused, or finished some manufacturing task, all the information is gonna be displayed here. Now this is how the production schedule looks for me, but if you want to, you can adjust it to your needs. You have many options here, like for example, you can hide done manufacturing tasks. You can mark orders if the operations predecessors have not been completed. Then you have options to hide some manufacturing tasks. You can customize manufacturing tasks that are waiting for the predecessor, and many more options, so that you could adjust it to your needs. Now, as you can see, some of the tiles are black, which means that those manufacturing tasks are waiting for the predecessor's operation, so that your workers would know that they shouldn't start working on that before the predecessor operation isn't finished. What else you can do on the production schedule? Most important thing is that your workers can, just by clicking on the manufacturing task, access all the information that you've provided while creating an order. So they can see all the images, all the files that you've attached to this manufacturing task. They can check how many elements need to be made, the time spent on this manufacturing task, and also related tasks, and even some more information from additional products fields, order fields, and they can also check raw materials. When the workers would like to start working, On the manufacturing task, workers just have to click on the manufacturing task, choose his name, enter pin code, and he started working on the manufacturing task. The same goes for finishing the manufacturing task. Again, click on this, choose name, and enter quantity made, pin, and here he can also add some comments and change amount of the raw materials used for this manufacturing task. He can also add attachments and take photo and defective products if there were any. And now you can see here in the recent operations that Bob started working on the manufacturing task and finished, how many pieces he made, how much time it took him, and a little bit more information about it. As a manager, you have more options. As I said, you can just click on the manufacturing task and you can edit it from this section. So you can, for example, change, let's say, number of pieces. You can add some tags, assign workers, and just change what you need. And now you can see that amount changed. What is important function of production schedule is that if you have many manufacturing tasks at it, then you can filter the manufacturing tasks. You can do it here, and so your workers can filter it for by status, by order, product group, plant start and stop, and also by their name. And now you can see just the manufacturing tasks assigned to the worker I've chosen. One more function that you have access to on the manager's view is clocking in and out. If you, for example, need to log as some worker, you just have to click here, and in case of your workers it looks quite the same, but as I said, their view doesn't allow them to just edit anything. So your workers just have to click on clock in, or you can do it for them. Then choose the worker to log in, enter pin, some comments if you need to, and click clock in. The same thing goes for pausing work. And for clocking out. And as you can see, all actions, all recent operations will be shown here. And one more thing that we have here is announcements. It makes communication with the shop floor easier, so that if you have some important news to tell to your workers, you can just type it here and it will be visible for your workers at their production schedule. Okay, so that's it about production schedule, which, as you can see, makes everything faster, easier, and more efficient. I hope you liked this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.